Is your scientific or mathematical software crashing because of the Libpplxx DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. As we get into the manual process for Libpplxx, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Libpplxx, the Parma Polyhedra Library. It provides unmanaged routines for numeric analysis and static orchestration, facilitating the mathematical manifest for high-performance data links. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. To correct this issue, reinstall your scientific or mathematical software. Go to Microsoft's official site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for both x86 and x64, and install them. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Libpplxx component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Please use caution. Replacing Libpplxx.dll manually often requires administrative permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your PC open to external attacks. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. To minimize background load and improve stability, the diagnostic kit linked in the description includes Libpplxx documentation. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Libpplxx or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.